Hey everybody, this is John from Send Mode, and this is a new feature which we've added to the system called Stagger SMS. So this feature allows you to send out your messages in batches rather than all in one go. So an example would be if you had, say, 3,000 numbers and you wanted to send them out over the course of a couple of hours, you could send them out in batches of 6 batches of 500, for example. So this would be perfect for if you were taking appointments and you didn't want the phones to be all clogged up at the same time. You could spread the messages going out throughout the day, or if you were staggering your opening times, you could send out the messages over the course of a longer period of time. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So when you come to the send SMS screen, the usual recipients, sender name and SMS content is there, but you'll see a new button down here called Stagger SMS. So I'm going to create a message and I'm going to send it to a group I've set up here called Stagger SMS tutorial. I'm just going to use send mode as the sender ID. I'm just going to type in a quick message here. Just personalize the message. First name. Seats available on our new BBC course. To book, please ring 1 2 3 4 5. Thanks, John. Okay, so I've it's just a made up message. So if you're running a course and you want people to call in to book it, so let's say I'm sending this out to a couple of thousand people, but I want to stagger it throughout the day. So in this case, we have a small group of just 6 of us. We want the message to start going today, and we want it to go every 15 minutes. And let's say we wanted to start at 11, and because there's only a couple of people in this group, we want to stagger it in 2 different messages. So in this case, it would be 2 batches of 3. So obviously for larger groups like 1,000, it would be 2 batches of 500. So all you do then is you click Stagger SMS. You get a little message saying exactly what's about to happen. 6 recipients in 3 batches of 2 each. Hit OK, and that's the message now scheduled to go out. So to view these messages, you can click here, or you can go to Scheduled SMS, and you will see that they are scheduled in 3 batches of 2 to go out over the course of the time period that you specified. So to see the reports when they went out, so I sent one out there earlier on, you will see a new item in the drop down list called Staggered SMS, and you choose whichever one you wish to look at. You view the delivery report, and then you can see the messages being delivered. So that's how you see the messages gone out, the reporting on the messages gone out. So that's a new feature for staggering the messages over a period of time rather than sending them out in one go. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.